What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we're on a landscape job, which I'll show you in just a quick minute. We have a good buddy who you guys may or may not know. We're doing a little tear out work. So on this Saturday, December 5th, we have a few more landscape jobs to get through before we're wrapping up for the season. But I thought I'd bring you along for another vlog, show you where we are, show you what we have left, show you a couple things. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So we have the Root Slayer shovel. Shout out to John with Whitetail Creek Lawns for that. Just digging out some bases here. Have a good buddy who you guys may know. We'll introduce him when he gets here, but we're gonna use his truck to pull out all these here and clean up this area in here, get everything cleared out. We're gonna till all this all the way up, get it all nice and tilled. We're gonna till all this area in here, get it all nice and prepped for a landscaping job that we should get here in the spring. So let's get to work. What's going on, guys? We are here with Kyle Parks from Scarlet Oak Landscaping in
I know the t-shirt's messed up.
Yeah, just read what it says, right?
Arlet or
Arlet
Atlet. Yeah, I know.
Arlet Oak Landscaping. So we already got probably a good half of these dug out.
I'd say so.
Yeah.
Root balls aren't fun right now.
Yeah, so while you're digging, you want to tell everybody just a quick minute about your business, kind of what you're doing? And
yeah, so we're based out of Lithico, Maryland. Probably we're 25 minutes from
25 minutes, yeah. Well, 25 minutes from my house, about 35 from here or so.
Yeah, so we service the Linthicum to Annapolis area. Anything from pretty much garden bed renovations to full property maintenance. Just got our MDA PFA this year, so we can actually put down fertilizer and charge for it.
It's good.
So, but yeah, not too much to go from there besides cut grass and make cash.
Yeah, exactly. How old are you?
22.
22?
I always got to double guess myself.
What do you have, 40, 50 lawns, 35, something like that?
We're between 50 and 65.
Okay, nice, that's good.
It fluctuates.
Okay, good, awesome. All right, well, we'll get back to work. Alright guys, just wrapping up here. Had to rent out a tiller because the one we had wouldn't get going. We got everything tilled, all the stumps removed, all ready and prepped for some spring landscaping here. Another great one in the books. Got Kyle over there. He decides he's going to talk on the phone. Just going to clean up here, wrap it up from here. We found some copper in the ground that was just laying around. So we had some copper to pick up. Other than that, it's gonna blow off, close out with the client. Got Kyle's truck down here. Nice Ram 2500. Nice and loaded up. Got our tiller that didn't work, but we're gonna put everything in the truck and we will be on our way. So let's go. Well guys, thank you so much for watching the video and making it to the end. I wanted to give you a little bit of a quick update. Check this out. Same tiller that was in the video. I've worked on a restoration on this thing, got it all sanded and painted, all the rust off from the inside. It's looking magnificent, and it runs now, completely tills fine. I've actually started to sand all the rust off the propellers, I guess you could say, and bam, we got a fully working brand new tiller. Took all the stickers off, need some touch-up paint on the front. Also wanted to mention Kyle, Scarlet Oak Landscape. His girlfriend, Chloe, does stickers. These are from her. Her company name is Scarlet Oak Design. They're on Instagram. I'll put their tag up on the screen. Sorry, I can't see what I'm doing here. Somewhere over here. So anyway, be sure to check them out on Instagram. They have some really, really awesome stuff over there. Be sure to send them a message. They will ship stuff out to you if you need anything. And shout out to Kyle for coming down, or up, I think it'd technically be up, and helping me out and getting that done. I wanted to show you one more thing. Ooh, sneak peek. Did you see it? Oh man. That's a, I guess you say it, Hasawaga orchard pruning ladder. Shout out to Paul Kamara on Instagram for the recommendation for that ladder. More to come on that ladder. But yeah guys, just a couple days after Christmas here, we're wrapping up. I got some really cool content I'm going to shoot tomorrow coming your way very, very soon. Anyway guys, this job was really, really simple. You saw we rented a tiller. We guys basically got everything removed. We weren't able to use Kyle's truck. It just didn't have enough straps. He had about 50 foot of strap. We need about 65 foot of strap. So we just did without that. We just dug them out. It wasn't too hard at all. We went out and rented a tiller, got it all cleaned up, and it's looking really, really nice. So if you guys enjoyed this type of content, be sure to give this video a like, hit the subscribe button down below, and stick along. Anyway guys, Happy New Year. Next Sunday when we post a video, it'll be in the new year, so I won't talk to you between now and then. So take some time off, enjoy it with the family. Hopefully you had a great Christmas. Other than that guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions, leave them in the box down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Maison Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.